How to eliminate intestinal gas? What are they? Why they are produced? Gases are a problem that constantly lurks in our digestive system. It is therefore important that we know everything about them, as they not only cause discomfort and in many cases pain, but also an aesthetic problem, because our body, especially the abdomen, appears bulging. Therefore it is necessary that we take into account a series of points that we will emphasize next to avoid the appearance of the gases. First of all, we must take into account that the gases form in the digestive system for various reasons. The food and eating habits is one of the main ones when it comes to developing or not more amount of gases in our intestines. To avoid this, it is necessary that we know what it is that we must eat and how we have to do it so that the digestive process follows its normal course and the production of gases is the adequate one. Gases are something normal and typical of the digestive process, but in high amounts they are quite a nuisance. Usually the gases are eliminated by the process known as eructation, since when we ingest food we always swallow air that we automatically expel. But this process of eructation is aggravated and increased in cases of reflux or stomach swelling. In spite of everything, this process often does not occur because it is the stomach that eliminates the gases by itself. Swelling is another sensation of excess gas. This phenomenon occurs when the accumulation of gases is high and the individual has an inability to eliminate these gases by any of the usual routes, or the body cannot eliminate them by itself. This swelling can lead to abdominal pain due to excessive accumulation of gas in the intestine. The same happens with an excessive flatulence, which can denote an excess of gases in the organism. Something we must take care of and prevent. Possible solutions: 1. Avoid the accumulation of gases. Eating slowly and chewing food is critical to avoiding gas. 2. Foods that produce intestinal gas. As for non-recommended foods, we will highlight dairy products, high-fat foods, some vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, pepper, cucumber, corn, onions, radishes, turnips, beans. Dried legumes are not recommended either, like artificial sweeteners. Plums and grapes are the fruits we should discard when it comes to avoiding gas, as well as some cereals in abundance such as wheat or bread made from bran.